Welcome back, guys. Vegas Auto Gallery Service Center. We're working on a 2024 911 GT3 RS. It's a 992 chassis. Anyway, so this is an R1 full titanium exhaust. It's got a muffler delete, but it still has the electronic actuator motor, so we can get different tones out of it. But the cool part is that this is still actually a full cat. So we got both O2 sensor bungs here. Everything's been machined perfectly, welded perfectly, but it is lighter and it's gonna be louder. We've taken the wheels off because we got to remove this panel to disconnect the O2 sensor connectors. And then, because we're transferring the O2 sensors into the other headers. And then, yeah, so we got this side almost out. So we've taken both rear wheels off, fender liners off to unplug these O2 sensors. We've loosened all the manifold bolts from the studs. Their next frame, you see this? We're gonna be dropping this. We got the entire exhaust out. So right now on the floor, we got the stock muffler, stock cats, and stock headers. We're gonna transfer some parts over, O2 sensors, flap actuators into the new R1 setup. So this one already comes with bung holes pre-made because it's got a full cat system, so it's going to read and pass smog. It's got placement for the flap actuators, which we're going to put in next. So we got the O2 sensors mounted in, got the bracket going to the block, put it on. So we're gonna start putting these in. So pretty good. We do have a clearance issue with this downstream O2 sensor. It's hitting this heat shield. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend this back. We got the R1 Motorsport's headers, manifold, and muffler put in already. And right now we're gonna do our very first start with the new exhaust system. We just finished the install of the R1 Motorsport's full titanium exhaust on this beautiful 992 GT3 RS. We're gonna do a couple rollers, do some sound tests for you guys, just so you know what it sounds like. But overall, super easy install. I'm really excited for this. So that's a wrap for the R1 Motorsports exhaust install. Catch you next time. I'll see you when I see you.